Hi guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this smoky, faded background brush effect in Photoshop by creating your own custom brush. It's a really simple technique, so let's get started. First, select the pen tool from the toolbar and create the shape or path you want to turn into a brush. Go to Edit Define Brush preset. Give your brush a name and press OK. Now let's customize our new brush. Go to Window Brush Settings to open the Brush Settings panel. Under Brush Tip Shape, select the brush tip you want to use. I am using 4480. Next, enable Shape Dynamics. Under the Control option, choose Fade and adjust the fade value around 300 to create a smooth, smoky fade effect. Now press OK and select your new brush. You can now paint with your custom faded brush and create a soft, smoky background effect. You can also change the color by going to Adjustment Layer, Solid Color, select your desired color. And that's it. And that's how you can create this smoky, faded brush effect in Photoshop with a custom brush in just a few simple steps.